Hey guys, this is a quick update about the USS Enterprise build. Now this is the model kit being put out by Polar Lights this year. This kit is a slight retooling of the 1/1000 scale ship that they put out for Star Trek Discovery. The saucer room windows are updated and fixed, the bridge is updated, and there's small detailing throughout the ship that have been updated to reflect the ship as it appears in Strange New World. Now this model kit will be out very soon, and you can pre-order it at Cult TV Man Hobby Shop. Now where I have this build right now is I have it built, I have it lit, I have it painted with its base coat, and now I'll have some decisions to make on it. Basically, I've got three ways to go. I could wait for the official decals to come out for this kit and decal it with those decals so you can see what the official decals and scheme would look like for this ship. My second option is I do have the decals that came out for the Discovery version. I could use those and get the build done pretty quickly. And my third option would be to get some of the third-party masks, use those, and airbrush the kit like I did on my USS Excalibur kit. So I'll make that decision in the next couple days. I'll do another update once I've made that decision to let you guys know what that decision is and when you should expect the next video. Obviously, the quickest option would be to use the decals I already have, but I'd love to do either the option with official decals or paint masks, but I'll let you know in a few days which way I go. In the meantime, it sounds like there's been some interest in my USS Excalibur build, which is a build based upon the Discovery version of this model kit. So I will do a video outlining what I did to build up the USS Excalibur, and hopefully that'll show you guys another way you can kind of tackle this model kit. Now, whichever way I go on the Strange New Worlds Enterprise, I do want to make it clear my Battlestar Galactica Viper project will not interfere with the Strange New Worlds model. The Strange New Worlds Enterprise will be my #1 priority. The Battlestar kit will take a back seat to it. I just have to decide which way I'm going to go on this model kit. So, very quick update there about what my current plans are. I'll let you know when I decide between decals and paint masks, and I'll be back very soon.